What's up, y'all? It's Spicy AF back with another spicy topic. Help support by liking this video. Also, follow me on Blue Sky. It's Spicy AF 2024 and at Spice Tea Spill on Instagram. All my pictures are the same on social media. Subscribe and share. Okay, guys, all in one week, Jay-Z is accused by an attorney, Tony Buzbee, the attorney that has been going on press conferences with all these hundreds of allegations of Diddy. The woman who accused Jay-Z of joining in with R-wording her at 13 years old finally spoke to NBC, and she is admitting that there are some inconsistencies, y'all. This has empowered Jay-Z to assure that he will win, proving that either this lady lied for money or she's severely mistaken. Let's get into this right now. Tony Buzbee has now followed up to the court with another lawsuit claiming that, and actually this was December 18th, but he has the actual evidence now, claiming that Alex Spiro's attorney, the law firm that he works for or under, he's saying that they conspired, Roc Nation and that people of that law firm conspired to pretend to be law enforcement, reaching out to his ex-clients, offering to pay them money to say that they had a bad experience, to lie on Tony Buzbee, and that is obstruction of justice. So ever since then, December 18th, I didn't really hear anything. We heard back from the judge, though. The judge said she will go ahead and let Jay-Z, Roc Nation, Alex Spiro file the request to dismiss in February, and she gave some other dates, gave Tony Buzbee time to respond to the request. Mind you, they didn't see any evidence as of yet. All this and no evidence yet on both sides. No evidence. I haven't heard any. So Alex Spiro heard as of like today or yesterday that Tony Buzbee has the recording. There's the evidence. He has evidence in regards to his latest lawsuit. People from Alex Spiro's law firm was impersonating law enforcement, which he now is claiming that is obstruction of justice. Now we're not only talking about a civil suit. Now we're not only talking about a lawsuit. We're talking about charges now. We're talking about breaking the law. Federal crime. So, yeah. Alex Spiro gets word of that. And to me, y'all, it feels like somebody caught red-handed, because he responded, notice of defendant Sean Carter's motion for sanctions and to strike the complaint pursuant to Fed RC 4P11. Please take notice that upon the accompanying memorandum of law, declaration of Alex Spiro and accompanying exhibits, and any other arguments of or materials that the court may consider before this motion is taken under submission by the court, defendant Sean Carter will move this court before the Honorable Annalisa Torres at a date and time to be determined by this court for an order dismissing plaintiff's amended complaint pursuant to rule of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, imposing monetary sanctions on Anthony Buzbee and the Buzbee law firm, directing the parties to confer regarding a briefing schedule for the determination of Mr. Carter's reasonable attorney fees and cost, and such other and further relief the court deems just and inequitable. In other words, as far as what I can understand, Alex Spiro wants the case dismissed, and he also wants the judge to discipline Tony Buzbee. Not only is he saying that the case is frivolous, the case is not true, but he's also saying, and I need you to sanction him for coming up to me with this crap. Pay these lawyer fees, all these fees that's piling up. Any cost, any time that I put into this BS, I need money back. Refund. I need to be refunded, reimbursed, however you want to say it. Well, I do believe that this is all to do with the fact that Tony Buzbee has his hand on some proof that people from that law firm have something to do with this obstruction of justice here. Something to do with this impersonating an officer and soliciting money. Now, if you notice, he didn't really mention anything to do with that. Now, from the way it looks to me, he definitely is aware that Tony has that physical evidence, the voice recordings, the recorded meetup with the fake cop reaching out to his ex-client. Why he ain't mention that? He didn't mention that. He said sanction him for this false case here, this false R case, sanction him and I want to dismiss him and I want him paying these fees. He didn't mention those recordings though. This ain't looking good for this girl. It's not looking good. This girl waits 24 years to file this lawsuit, but doesn't file charges, hides her identity, but does not name Jay-Z in October when the lawsuit was originally filed, but names him 2 months later. Her lawsuit is inconsistent, and even her witnesses doesn't corroborate. Her own dad says he don't remember, y'all. It just don't look like this woman is telling the truth. And even if she is, it's not about what you know, it's about what you can prove. If he's going to accuse people of doing these things, he needs to come with some receipts, come with some facts, come with some proof. Because so far, the people don't remember. The dad don't remember. Wouldn't he remember that? If she was running out naked and crying, and that would be a monumental thought in his head. Why wouldn't he remember that? I don't think that's cool. You done embarrass the people. I just think this is trash. And this right here, even if this man was wrong, this justifies him. This right here, the judge might laugh at this. Let me know what y'all think. How y'all feel? Y'all think he's vindicated? Let me know. Leave your comments. Hit that thumbs up. Like this video. Subscribe and stay tuned because we got more to come. Peace.